The reason why we do this activity is to improve visual information. From octagonal stop signs and rectangular doors to triangular roofs and circular wheels, shapes are everywhere. Learning shapes not only helps children identify and organize visual information, it also helps them learn skills in other curriculum areas including reading, math, and science. For example, an early step in understanding numbers and letters is to recognize their shape. Next, the importance of hand-to-eye coordination is important in everyday tasks such as grasping objects, handwriting, playing games, eating, cooking, and even doing one's hair. As with other body skills, hand-to-eye coordination can be practiced and improved upon. Developing hand-to-eye coordinations begins in infancy. And last but not least, by focusing on teaching geometric shapes to children, upon observation, they help in acquiring and developing special skills that play an important role in learning mathematics and what they need for logical thinking and building relationships between different data. Learning geometric shapes also helps the children to understand concepts such as forming a shape, lines, angles, the number of sides, and how to build on existing shapes or arrange them in a certain space or a certain pattern. These are all the skills that if the child acquires early, he will be able to perform better in mathematics.